तू सीएमओ तुका उलोवपाक सारकें रीत येना आतां प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मारपाक यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली यू लर्न टू कंट्रोल युअर टंग यू आर अ डॉक्टर डोंट फोर्स मी टू एक्ट पुट युअर हँड्स आउट फर्स्ट वेन यू आर स्टँडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी आय जनरली डोंट लूज माय कूल बट you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient and guide the patient. Urban health center चल हांगा चल म्हणून तू कित्याक रावला हांगा मागीर कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काड and kick him out from here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. Ask him to get out from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Don't open your mouth when I am talking. Send him right now. And issue him a direction that he should not report. I am suspending him right now.